Hello and welcome. Welcome to another watch review. This is Casio A130, retro futuristic faced watch with vintage vibe from Casio's golden years. Those were the gadgety designs which are making a huge return. In general, we see that the watch market is dusting off designs and blueprints from the 70s, 80s and 90s, which is very pleasant to the millennial eye like mine. This is a very busy watch. It has 4 digital dials, and one of these is an analog clock in a digital form, if that's okay to say. But you get the point. Other dials are showing time, date, and second counter, as well as some other quirks in other modes. Upper round dial has an interesting animation, but if you consider what this watch is, it fits perfectly. There's quite a lineup for the A130. I would say this one is the most basic one. The most interesting one is this one, to me at least. I just like the vibe of it. One thing you have to be aware of is definitely the size of the watch. It looks much bigger on pictures, but when you get your hands on it, you realize it's not that big. Actually, it's a small watch, so have that in mind. And for a better perspective, here's the watch on my 7-inch wrist with following dimensions. When it comes to watch functions, you get alarm, world time, stopwatch, countdown timer, auto calendar up to 2099. All of those are pretty much standard when it comes to Casio. Stainless steel band comes with adjustable clasp. Case is resin made in chrome plated. Battery should last about 3 years. This watch has LED backlight which is amber, also adding to that geeky and vintage vibe. If you think this watch looks familiar to you, you are right. It looks like AE1200, Casio Royale. That Casio Royale is better made and a bigger watch than this one. And let's be honest, it has a cult status. It may also look like Seiko G757, and you may see it in an olden James Bond movies. But there's also a sleeker version of this watch, the Casio LF20, which has a great color palette for you to choose from. Best said, this is Mini Royale. Let's be honest, this is a geeky and fun looking watch. You do get plenty of watch functions and features, but don't expect too much. I believe chrome plating will not last that long. The watch itself is on a smaller side, sometimes not readable in every angle. Great conversation topic, definitely, but not a daily watch. At least that's my opinion. Buying a Casio watch will not bankrupt you, that's for sure. You can never have enough of them, so go, buy yourself one. Wear it when you want to, talk about it and brag to everyone. When the watch dies and gets damaged, buy yourself another one and do it again. And until next time, see you.